Welcome back to the channel, guys. Keith at Crypto Bullseye. How's everyone feeling today? You feeling a little bit anxious about the crypto market? You still feeling that we're not going to get an alt season? You still feeling that you want to go home and capitulate? So I thought I'd bring something different today. It's a comment that I get time and time again. Will XRP surpass Ethereum? Will XRP be the dominant altcoin within the whole of the crypto space? And what would it take for that to happen? Because we've got lots to analyze. This XRP move here, back in the 21st of September 2024, how to play the biggest XRP move in years, guys. This wasn't just the biggest XRP move in years. This was the biggest accumulative trading pattern within the whole of the crypto space that had the biggest and most volatile breakout. This is where we called it down here. So one thing that you need to think about is XRP's already run. Ethereum hasn't run. So what's it actually going to take? How far away is XRP from Ethereum now? We've got lots to talk about in this video, guys. Let's dive in. Okay, so first things first, which one's run, which one's hasn't run, which one's got a narrative, and which one's lagging? We know that XRP has been integrated into banks, has been integrated into fast transactions and payments. They've just launched their own stable coin. So XRP has been adopted mainstream. And you can see in the last bull cycle on XRP, we talked about this. That doesn't usually happen in the crypto space, a lower high. So when you've got something as fundamentally good as Ripple, you don't usually get the lower highs. But there was a story behind this lower high. And that was the SEC lawsuit. So the SEC lawsuit was there. Ripple won the lawsuit down here. And then what happens? Confidence in the market. Banks can start using and integrating XRP. There's lots of banks that are starting to do that now. And what it allows for is quick transactions between a currency to a stable coin or XRP, and then from XRP into another currency. So they can do it in real time. It's a lot cheaper, it's a lot faster, and it can be done immediately. So XRP has been integrated, XRP is mainstream, XRP has absolutely run compared to from that break, 578% to the upside to its previous high. Come back down, it retested this 38.2. We expected a reaction at the 38.2. That was sat at $1.98, nearly $2, psychological round number. What happened? Buy orders, buy orders, buy orders. So XRP and Ethereum. Ethereum, one thing that you can see is Ethereum's come into strong support. XRP is currently at resistance. We're going to look at a different resistance that's even more important than XRP as far as knowing whether Ethereum is going to outperform XRP in the short term and whether there's going to be a flipping in going forward. So you can see XRP needs to pull back. We've got a big buy-up candle here. We potentially could come back and test this $2 level in the short term. Ethereum, how much has it got to come back to the 38.2? Currently sitting at 2,722, 38.2 sat at $2,400. So there's not as much downside to Ethereum to its next support as XRP. So that means that XRP should pull back. XRP should pull back, and Ethereum has got more chance of a volatile move to the upside. So the next thing that we're going to look at is the Ethereum XRP chart, and this puts things into perspective because XRP, when XRP is outperforming, XRP is putting in higher highs and higher lows. When Ethereum's outperforming, this is when Ethereum's outperforming. So you can see that something's changing. Ethereum's been outperforming all the way here since December 2018. So it's been putting in lower highs, lower lows, which signals that it is eaten out of the market cap of XRP. Now we get to this point here. This point's an important point because that was the rejection point from 23rd of November 2020. So you would expect a big rejection at this. This is the weekly time frame. Higher the time frame, higher the conviction. So we're at a resistance point on the XRP Ethereum chart. Now, the next thing we need to look at is what is the market cap of XRP? What is the market cap of Ethereum? So we've got Ethereum, 328 billion, 246 million, 83,615. You've got XRP sat here, 147,000, 147 billion, 660 million, 101,530. So it is about a 2x. So you've got a 2x or 110%, call it. So it's around about 110% different. What we can do is we can go back on the XRP Ethereum chart, and we can look at where price action is now. We can just measure that. So if we say 110% from where price is now, that puts us around about this level here. So what you would likely see if this started eating away at Ethereum and XRP starts breaking its all-time highs and putting in new highs very quickly and Ethereum's lagging, then what you're likely to see is a push up to the 618, a rejection at the 618. This gap here and this gap here would be the flipping in. And if this did occur this way, because don't forget, guys, Ethereum's got to run. So if Ethereum's got to run, what that's going to say is there's going to be a pullback here to the 38.2. So because Ethereum's at support, and XRP is at resistance, you would expect there's a higher probability for XRP to pull back and a higher probability for Ethereum to run. I said in the last video why Ethereum needs to run next. Second biggest market cap. We need liquidity to go into Ethereum for Ethereum to test its all-time high, break its all-time high, and then really start confirming that there's narrative within the altcoins. People can get confidence to rotate into altcoins. Then the people that are holding are the people that want to hold, and the people that aren't weak hands, guys. The weak hands sell low. So that's what's likely to happen in the short term. This is the XRP Ethereum chart. We're expecting to get a pullback on Ethereum on XRP. If that happens, that would be a push up of Ethereum and a break of this trend, and then a pullback on XRP to this 38.2. So that's what I think is a high probability of that happening. But we know ultimately during the course of alt season, this area here around about the 0.02 where the flipping in happens from XRP to Ethereum. So you let me know in the comments, guys, whether you think that XRP can be the second biggest crypto within the whole of the crypto space, be the second dominant leader. Things would be different going into the next cycle if that occurred and that held. Things would be different going in the next cycle because it would be a rotation from Bitcoin into the next biggest asset, which would be XRP. Now, do I think realistically that this is going to happen? Because I've said what XRP is for, fast payment transactions. XRP doesn't really do too much, and I love XRP, guys. XRP army are welcome here all day long, all the time. However, Ethereum is a completely different thing. Ethereum is the world decentralized computer. Now, I've got gripes with Ethereum myself, guys. Do I like Ethereum? I love Ethereum. I love the concept of Ethereum. I love how it's fully decentralized. But they really need to start getting these fast payment transactions sorted because one thing, if you try and buy anything pre-market on Ethereum, gas fees absolutely batter you guys. There's a couple of things that I was looking at, a couple of $100, and I wanted to buy a couple of $100 worth, and they wanted an extra $250 gas fees on top of the $200. Then I went on to Solana, and then exactly the same thing. It was a couple of cents. So does it mean that the Solana meme coins are better? Solana meme coins are an absolute minefield, guys. Ethereum, with the pre-market guys, with Ethereum is more likely to be integrated into real world utility. With Solana, some of that will be, some of it will be, but there's so much crap on there, it's really difficult. It's like a minefield. It might be cheaper as far as transactions are concerned, but it's an absolute minefield. I digressed there a little bit, but that's what needs to happen, guys. For XRP to flip Ethereum, it needs to hit the 0.002. Will it happen? Let's monitor this and going forward. But let me know in the comments what you think. Is it going to happen? I'll see you in the next one.